In 2025, artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's a money-making machine. Everywhere you look, people are using AI tools to create businesses, automate side hustles, and earn real income from home. The world is changing fast, and those who understand how to use AI are already miles ahead of everyone else. So, in this video, we're diving deep into the best AI side hustles in 2025, the ones that are realistic, profitable, and actually sustainable. Because here's the truth, you don't need to be a tech genius or a coder to make money with AI. You just need creativity, the right tools, and a smart strategy. Let's break it all down. Before we jump into specific hustles, let us understand why AI side hustles are exploding right now. AI isn't replacing humans, it's amplifying them. It is making content creation faster, design simpler, marketing smarter, and data analysis easier. In short, it's helping ordinary people do extraordinary things and make serious money doing it. From writing and video editing to e-commerce and consulting, AI tools can handle the heavy lifting while you focus on creativity and strategy. That's the real power of AI in 1925. Now, let's explore the top AI side hustles. You can start this year even if you're a complete beginner. The first AI side hustle is AI content creation and freelancing. This one is huge. Businesses today need endless content, blog posts, scripts, emails, ad copy, and social media captions. But not every company can afford a full-time writer or marketing team. That's where you come in. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai, you can create professional quality content in minutes. You can offer writing services, social media management, or even YouTube script writing powered by AI. Imagine taking on 10 clients who each pay you $200 a month for weekly content. That's $2,000 a month working just a few hours per week. The secret isn't just using AI to write, it's using AI to enhance your writing. Add your tone, your research, and your human creativity. That combination makes you unstoppable. The second AI side hustle is AI-powered video creation. Video is the king of online content, and AI is changing the game. Platforms like Pictory, Synthesia, and HeyGen let you create entire videos using AI voices, avatars, and stock visuals without needing a camera, microphone, or editing skills. You can start a faceless YouTube channel, a TikTok page, or even offer artificial intelligence video creation services to businesses. Let's say a local real estate agent wants short promotional videos for listings. You can use AI tools to generate a voiceover, visuals, and captions all in under an hour. Charge $100 per video and you've got a scalable, automated income stream. The demand for video content is endless, and most people don't know these tools even exist. That's your opportunity. The third AI side hustle is AI graphic design and branding. Even if you have never designed anything before, AI makes it possible to create logos, posters, ads, and brand kits in minutes. Tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Canva's Magic Studio allow you to produce stunning visuals just by typing a description. You could start a Fiverr or Upwork gig offering logo design, brand identity kits, or social media templates. Want to make it even smarter? Pair AI design with ChatGPT to write brand taglines and slogans so you can offer full branding packages. Many freelancers are already making $3,000 to $10,000 a month doing this, all powered by AI. And the best part? Each design is unique, creative, and tailored to the client's needs. Something I can help you deliver faster than any competitor. The fourth AI side hustle is AI voiceover and audio production. Gone are the days of needing a recording studio or expensive microphones. AI tools like 11 Labs, Murph.ai, and Play.ht can generate professional voiceovers that sound 100% human. You can use them to produce audiobooks, explainer videos, podcasts, or even commercials. Think about it. Every YouTube channel, business presentation, or training course needs voice narration. You can be the one who provides it using AI voices and your editing creativity. You can even create your own faceless podcast channel with AI voices and scripts generated by ChatGPT. All you need is an idea and the right combination of tools. The fifth AI side hustle is AI automation consulting. Businesses everywhere are drowning in repetitive tasks, customer emails, scheduling, data entry, social media posting. They know AI could help, but they don't know where to start. If you learn how to use automation tools like Zapier, Make, or ChatGPT integrations, you can become a consultant helping small businesses save time and money with AI. You could charge $500 to $2,000 per project to set up automation systems, and once they are built, they run on autopilot. Automation consulting is one of the fastest-growing AI opportunities right now because it saves companies real money. All you need is problem-solving skills and a bit of tech curiosity. The sixth AI side hustle is AI-powered e-commerce. If you have ever wanted to start an online store, AI makes it easier than ever. You can use tools like ChatGPT to research winning products, Midjourney to design product images, and Shopify Magic to build your store. AI can even write your product descriptions, create ad copy, and help manage your social media promotions. Some entrepreneurs are creating entire dropshipping stores in a single weekend with AI doing 80% of the work. You can also use tools like Durable to create full business websites in seconds. E-commerce used to be about hustle. Now it's about automation. And AI is your silent business partner. The seventh AI side hustle is AI course and ebook creation. Online education is booming, and AI makes it faster than ever to create digital products. You can use ChatGPT or Notion AI to outline, write, and format full online courses or ebooks. Then, platforms like Teachable or Gumroad let you sell them directly. The key is choosing a niche you understand, like fitness, personal finance, or marketing, and using AI to help organize and explain your ideas clearly. Imagine creating one high-quality course that sells for $50 and gets just 500 buyers. That's $25,000 from a single digital product. Once it's done, it keeps selling automatically 24/7. That's the beauty of digital leverage with AI. The eighth AI side hustle is AI social media agency. Social media never sleeps, and neither does AI. Brands are desperate for consistent, high-quality content. You can use AI to manage entire accounts for clients. Tools like OpusClip, FeedHive, and ChatGPT can help you repurpose long-form videos into viral short clips, write engaging captions, and schedule content automatically. You can easily manage multiple clients, all powered by AI automation. Offer monthly packages for $500 to $2,000 per client, and suddenly, you have a full-blown digital agency with minimal overhead. AI helps you scale what used to take entire teams. The ninth AI side hustle is AI chatbot development. Every business needs customer service, but hiring humans for 24/7 support is expensive. That's where AI chatbots come in. You can create smart chatbots using tools like ManyChat, BotPress, or even GPT-powered assistants that answer frequently asked questions, schedule appointments, or handle sales. Local businesses from restaurants to real estate agents are now adopting chatbots to improve customer service and save time. You don't need to know coding. Most chatbot builders are drag and drop with AI brains built in. This side hustle can easily become a full-time business once you get a few clients on monthly retainers. The 10th AI side hustle is AI stock and market analysis. If you are into investing, AI tools can give you a major edge. You can use systems like FinGPT, Trade Ideas, or ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis to study patterns, generate reports, and make smarter investment decisions. But even if you are not trading yourself, you can turn this into a service. Create newsletters or reports that summarize stock or crypto insights using AI tools. People will pay for information that saves them time and helps them make money. This combines finance, data, and content, all powered by AI. Now, let's talk about something important. AI side hustles aren't just about finding a tool and pressing buttons. They're about combining human strategy with AI efficiency. The people making serious money in 2025 are the ones who know how to use AI to multiply their efforts, not replace them. Think of AI as your assistant. It works 24/7, never complains, and helps you deliver results faster than anyone else. You bring creativity, empathy, and direction. AI brings speed, precision, and scale. Together, you can build something incredible. But which of these AI side hustles should you start with? Here's a simple rule of thumb. If you love writing or storytelling, start with content creation or video production. If you are business-minded, go for automation consulting or social media management. If you're visual or creative, dive into AI design or e-commerce. And if you like systems and logic, chatbot development or data analysis could be perfect. There's no single right answer, just the one that matches your skills and interests. Now, let's look at what kind of income you can expect. At the start, most AI side hustles can earn you $500 to $2,000 per month. But as you build experience, scale your services and add automation, that can grow to $5,000 or more per month without needing to work full-time hours. Remember, the goal isn't to do everything manually. The goal is to build systems that run while you sleep. That's the beauty of AI. It allows you to multiply your time and output. And here's something most people don't realize. AI side hustles also future-proof your career. While others worry about being replaced by technology, you will be the one using technology to get ahead. You'll have the skills to adapt, create, and earn, no matter how the job market changes. That's true financial resilience in the digital age. So, how do you get started right now? Step 1. Pick one AI tool and master it. Don't chase every new shiny thing. Focus on becoming great at one area first. Step 2. Build a simple portfolio or demo. Even a few samples made with AI tools can attract clients or followers. Step 3. Start small but think big. Offer your service to one person, one business, or one niche. Then, automate and scale. Step 4. Reinvest your profits into better tools and marketing. That's how you grow from side hustle to business. The world in 2025 rewards creativity, adaptability, and smart use of technology. You don't need to be early, you just need to be strategic. AI isn't taking away opportunities. It is creating millions of new ones for people who are ready to learn and take action. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or someone just looking for extra income, AI side hustles can open doors you never imagined. Imagine earning money while AI tools help you write, design, sell, and automate all from your laptop or phone. That's not science fiction anymore. That's 2025 reality. So the question isn't, can AI make you money? The real question is, will you take advantage of it before everyone else does? Because the AI revolution isn't coming someday. It's already here and it's not waiting for anyone. Start small, stay consistent, and use AI as your partner, not your replacement. Because this decade belongs to those who can combine human creativity with artificial intelligence. And if you do that, your side hustle might just turn into your full-time freedom. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend who is curious about AI. Subscribe for more insights on building wealth and opportunities in the digital era. And remember, the smartest investment you can make in 2025 is learning how to use AI.